YouTube, what's happening, man? Back with another video. Now, I saw the views on my little other video when I made the s'mores and stuff, Views going up, you know what I'm saying? So, hey, if y'all want more of these type of videos, man, let your boy know. Hit that button down below, man. Let me know what's up. But anyway, we got the Digiornos, man. Original rising crust, the three meats, the Digiornos. What we got? What three meats we got up in here? Pepperoni sausage, beef, pizza topping. Okay. Chicken. Yeah, chicken too. The Digiornos, man. But I'm going to do it a little bit different. I'm going to add a couple of spices, seasoning to it. So let's get it out the pack right now. Let's get into the stove, and then we're going to come back and hit y'all with a little bit of, behind the scenes stuff or whatever like that. So let's get this bad boy about this pack real quick. And so, this is the pizza right here, frozen, of course. Hold on. First, you gotta wash your hands, man. You can't have nasty hands when you're trying to, cook. You know what I'm saying? You're trying to do your thing or whatever. So, I'll show y'all what I'm talking about. Alright, there we go. Had to wash my hands before I got started. So, we're going to get this onto the pan, and we're going to, set it up and, get it right. So, let's go. Back, man. The oven, we preheated that bad boy, man. It's a 400, that way to say. Put it on 400. Then you removed, I already did that or whatever. Next step, we're going to put it in the center rack of the oven. As y'all can see, it's right there and it's frozen. Okay, that's already warmed up. But before we do all that, man, we're going, you know what I'm saying? We're going to put a little, we're going to spice it up a little bit. We're going to do something different, man. Y'all want to try this at home, y'all more than welcome. Put a little spice, put a little something different onto it, man. Bow, man. Bow, y'all see where that is, man. Parmesan cheese. It's so good for spaghetti and stuff, so it should be good for this, so. But, dab it on there, a little dab, a little Parmesan. And, we got some of this little, yeah. Oh, yeah, y'all know what that is. Not too much. I want to give it a little spice, but we don't want to overpower the pizza with that. See, all you need is a little bit. You know what I'm saying? You don't need to overdo it. You know what I'm talking about? But anyway, man, let's safety first. Safety first, y'all. The pizza is about to go into the oven. Center rack. Y'all see it? There you go. And when I open this up, it's going to be just like magic. It's going to be just like magic. Finish, man. Final product, man. Let's take it out. Ooh, it's hot. Look at that. Look at that pizza, man. Look at that glaze off that thing. Look at that. Woo. Y'all already know, man. I'm gonna let it cool down for a minute. You know what I'm saying? I'm gonna let it cool down for a little bit. And we're gonna try it out and see if it came out the way I wanted it to come out. So I'm gonna get back right with y'all, man, with a taste test real quick. Now we're about to go in for the taste test, man. Final portion of this video. Let's see. course, y'all know the cheese and the, all that stuff be falling off and everything. Hot. Okay. Definitely on point. Got a lot of flavor to it. Like I said, man, do what I did. You gonna like it. A1. Alright, it's a 9 out of 10. It's on point. Anyway, comment, like, subscribe. Keep watching my videos, man. Next time, peace.